Hey there! Welcome to this course on drawing tarot cards. This is Guada Pinos, who is going to be your teacher throughout the course. Here on the screen you can find her social networks where you can have a look at her work. Join us and see how fun it is! Throughout the course, we are going to learn everything about the Marseille Tarot. We're going to talk about its origins, the meaning of the arcana, and all this kind of stuff so that we can look for references for our own designs afterwards. We're going to look for different ideas to get inspiration for the topic we are going to use. In this case, we are going to use these cute cards, and we'll see how we can give a funny twist so that our cards look amazing. Guys, it's always a great idea to have original material to offer to our audience. So for that reason, we are going to use this topic, these cute cards, with a funny look. We'll also learn about the graphic style used in Tarot of Marseille, and we'll bring it round to our point of view. Clearly, if we are going to work with cats, we'll learn a bit more about their anatomy and how to draw them in order for us to handle ourselves through the creation process. Throughout the course, we are going to draw and design a series of cards and major arcana to later on reflect their characteristics on our cards. We'll learn to draw, ink, and color them. If you have any doubt while doing the course, you can comment on this course and I will help you with everything I can. So guys, now that you know what is this course about, we are ready to learn a little bit more about the Tarot of Marseille. So guys, hope you like the course and see you in the next video. Bye!